So dear student, we were discussing about shape of p orbital. Clear? Shape of p orbital. We had discussed already that p orbitals are dumbbell shaped. Dumbbell, that is the equipment which peoples are used for doing exercise physical work. तो ये डम्बल शेप का पी ऑर्बिटल होता है, ठीक है। ये डम्बल शेप जो है पी ऑर्बिटल, लेट अस से लुक एट द डायग्राम, ये दो लोब, ये लोब कहलाता है, दीज आर कॉल्ड लोब्स। सो बेसिकली वी कैन से दैट पी ऑर्बिटल्स आर कंसिस्ट ऑफ मेड ऑफ टू लोब्स विच आर जॉइंड एट ए पॉइंट, लिंक्ड एट ए पॉइंट। दोनों लोब जो है एक पॉइंट पे जुड़ा हुआ रहता है, दिस पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड नोड। Clear? The point where both lobes of p orbital join is called node. Clear? So p orbital, see, p orbital has dumbbell shape with two lobes. P orbital has dumbbell shape with two lobes. What is node? Once again, see, I repeat, node, the point where two lobes of p orbital join. This point where two lobes of p orbital join, that point is known as node. Clear? Now see, probability of finding electron. इलेक्ट्रॉन पाए जाने का probability, संभावना, it is maximum, which is also represented by psi square. See, this one, this is psi square. Psi square represent probability of finding electron. So one thing here which is very important, that value of psi square at the node is 0. What does it mean? It means probability of finding electron at the node is 0, means there will be no electron at the node. नोड पर इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं पाया जा सकता, ठीक है। इलेक्ट्रॉन may be present on either, at either of the lobe, in the either of the lobe इलेक्ट्रॉन में प्रेजेंट, इस लोब में या इस लोब में, बट नोड में इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं पाया जा सकता है, ठीक है। सो पी ऑर्बिटल डम्बल शेप कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू लोब, द पॉइंट वेयर टू लोब जॉइन, दैट इज कॉल्ड नोड। एट नोड probability of finding electron is 0. Clear? Now nodal plane. What is nodal plane? See, if a plane that passes through the node, this is the p orbital, and this point where these lobes have lobes join this point, that is called node. So this plane passing through the node, ठीक है, ऐसा प्लेन जो नोड से पास हो, क्लियर, एंड बोथ लोब्स, एक्सिस ऑफ द बोथ लोब विल बी परपेंडिकुलर ऑन द लोब। इस प्लेन पे ये दोनों लोब कैसा होगा? परपेंडिकुलर, ठीक है। सो दिस टाइप ऑफ प्लेन विच passes through the node of p orbital and axis of both the lobes are perpendicular to it. ये this is the axis. See, let us suppose, see, this is the axis. So axis of this p orbital is perpendicular with this plane. Then such type of plane is known as nodal plane. Clear? So what is nodal plane? See, nodal plane, a plane passing through the node of a p orbital is known as nodal plane. Now we will discuss the number of p orbitals. How many p orbitals will be present? Number of p orbital.